Look at this cutie. 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 Aww. Look at the cute feet. Look at your cute. Okay. What's up, everybody? It's your girl Miek, and I'm back. Little catchphrase. I think it's gonna catch on. Miek on fleek. Hashtag Miek on fleek in the comments if you like it. By today's title, you already know it's going down. We finna catch a catfish in the freaking making. I decided to make this video because I had already had a phone call with this sugar daddy. I had already had a phone call with this person, and when I first heard them, I knew for a fact. Actually, like, I knew from the get, because I'm just like, bro, what do you want? Like what you asking for? So I just gave it a you know, I'm just testing to see, like, so what is this real or like what? Because they haven't asked for any money, so that's why I'm thinking that they just bored or something. I've been talking to them, like texting them, like, oh, okay, you, because I already know, like, it's just somebody that's bored or something. So I've been talking to them, trying to see, just so I can make the video. I've been holding this, like, prolonging it, so y'all can see what I'm talking about. Like, it's no way that you even think remotely that you okay sugar daddy catfish. Like, you know, like, it's the most, it's terrible, y'all. I'm telling you, whole thing is just terrible. Lies is terrible. Like, y'all, just listen to this. Just listen to this. I hope y'all can hear, because out here it's like people in the background. Oh, before we get into the video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe that you ready. Hashtag Miek on fleek. Hashtag road to 1,000. I'm doing a giveaway, so you need to tap in all the way. Turn on them post notifications. Share this video for your 5 extra points for the ones that are in the giveaway. And if you're not in the giveaway, it's a tag on my screen. Click that link. Find out all about the giveaway. All that you need to know. Yeah. Alright. I don't even know what to say. Like, why am I so shy to talk to a freaking catfish? Oh shit, wait. Because I know they're not going to answer the face on. Look at that name. Hello?
How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Fine. I'm bored.
You what?
I'm bored.
Are you bored?
Yeah.
Wait, can you guys tell me where you from again? Because, like I said, like, that accent is just, like, it's different.
Yeah?
Where you from again?
Orlando, Florida.
You from Florida?
Yeah.
So are you from Florida, or you just live in Florida?
I'm from Florida.
So what kind of accent is that?
Yeah?
What kind of accent, like, is that you have an accent? Huh?
Yeah?
You have an accent. What's your nationality? Can you turn your TV down?
My TV.
Yeah, I can't hear.
Okay.
What you watching?
No. Yeah?
What you watching?
Watching the movie. So what are you doing right now?
Nothing. I have a question though.
Okay.
Can you hear me well? I can barely hear you. I don't know what it is today.
Okay. I hear you.
Okay, so we've been talking for like a week. I should say, would you say we've been talking for like a week? And I still have yet to see any money.
Yeah, I don't usually talk to you.
Huh?
I don't usually have time to talk to you.
You do have time to talk to me. You talk to me all the time.
Bro, you
talking to me right? You talking to me right now?
If you're right now, I'll make it.
Huh?
I can make a payment right now.
I can't hear you.
So I can make the payment right now.
So can we FaceTime?
Yeah?
You want to FaceTime?
No, I said I can make your payment right now.
Oh, okay. Go ahead.
Yeah. I'll chat you when I'm done.
Why you just can't do it when you don't know how to do it while we on the phone?
No.
Okay. He finna make the payment right now. I sent my cash out. He typing. Y'all, I could barely hear what he's saying. Like that weak ass accent. But then again, it might be a real accent. It just sound fake to me. And I asked them what nationality they was. They didn't say nothing. So, okay, I'll ask my manager to start that up, babe. So, do you watch Netflix? That's what I need to tell y'all. So, this is how I know. Like, they got caught up in their lie real bad. I asked them when I first had the phone call. I said, can I FaceTime? They said, I'm busy right now. As soon as we got off the phone, they asking for my Netflix account. How you busy but you want my Netflix account? He said because I really think it's a girl. Like, they don't sound like a man at all. The whole situation just been stupid. I'm finna call back because I'm finna get mad. How you gonna say you gonna make a payment right now? He said, I'm finna make a payment right now. Hung up because I don't know how to make it. Soon as we got off, okay, I'll ask my manager to start that up, babe. So do you have Netflix? Can you not? Like, just stop the lies at this point. We finna stop the lie. Hello?
Hello? Yeah.
Can you please tell me what accent you doing?
Yeah?
Like, what accent is that?
Sorry.
Can you type that? Like, I didn't hear what you said. I can barely understand what you're saying. But listen. How is it that you need a manager to start up something that you've been talking about this whole time? Like,
I have an account officer. Said I have an account officer.
Okay. So why you didn't tell me this?
Yeah?
Why you didn't tell me this?
I'm sorry I couldn't tell you.
Yeah, you want to FaceTime?
I'm kind of busy now. I want to make your payment.
What are you busy doing?
Watching movie and
you busy lying. That's what you busy doing. When you gonna stop the lies? I just want to see who you are.
Can you just wait? Let me just make your payment. Please stop stressing me right now, okay? I'm gonna make your payment. Okay?
No, because I not gonna lie. That accent sound real. You're lying. I want you to stop lying. I want you to. The truth will set you free, my friend.
I'm gonna make your payment right now, okay? You don't need to be in a hurry. Okay?
I don't even. Nah, you legit funny. What is the worst sugar daddy ever? Kinda busy, babe. I hate stress. You not busy. I'm not even finna text him. I'm finna block them. Like, if you don't want to FaceTime me, that's fine. But at least talk to me. Tell me what's going on. Like, what's really going on deep down inside? Because that sound like a female, y'all. I'm not kidding. Like, that legit sound like a female to me. I don't know. Tell me how y'all think he sound. He, quote unquote. I'm going to say they. Because I don't. Like. Round of applause for being the worst sugar daddy ever. People text me talking about something about sugar daddy, and it always end up like, I sent you the payment. I'd be like, okay. Like, it don't be quick. It don't be long at all. It be so freaking quick. They be like, I sent you a payment. I'd be like, okay. And then they send me a screenshot of the payment and be like, it's pending. You gotta pay a fee. And that'd be it. I'd be like, oh. And like, because obviously I'm not finna pay you if you were sugar daddy. That's stupid. Don't be letting these people scare me all out there. If y'all are, like, do not go for it. That's pretty much all for this video because they finna get blocked. I wasted my time talking to them. Actually, I didn't waste my time. It was pretty entertaining. It was entertaining more the first time, but I prolonged it too long. And now I'm not even entertaining no more. I just want to know who it is and I want them to stop lying. Like, that's the disease. You need to stop. They text me and said, I'm kind of busy, babe. I hate stress. Just chill. I make the payment and don't laugh at daddy. You make me feel sad. Shut the fuck up. I'm gonna say, nah, you make me sad. FaceTime you. Anyways, y'all, I'm so glad that you into this video. Come again for another one because I might be wearing the same shirts in the next video that I'm making. Now that's the accent. What are you talking about? Like, I don't know what they was doing. But if it's real, I'm gonna feel so bad. Hope you like this video. Share this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notifications, and come back for another one. Making TV out.